Hello students, today video we will learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication of whole number fraction. In this video we will learn that how we will solve addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction and division of fraction. At the end of video you will be able to learn about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of whole number fraction. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Here is first to learn about addition of fraction. Firstly, I have a value 7 plus 2 by 3. Here you are seeing there is nothing under the 7. 2 has 3 in denominator and there is nothing denominator of 7. So firstly we will write here 7 by 1 plus 2 by 3. Now we write here denominator 1 and 2's denominator is 3. So we will take LCM here. If we multiply 3 multiply by 1, what will be 3? 3 multiply by 1, 3. 1 multiply by 3, 3 and here is 1. That's why we will multiply 3 by 7. 3 multiply by 7, 21 plus 3 and 3 same. Both denominators are same, that's why we will write this 21 plus 2 equal to 23 by 3. It's our answer. Now we will write again one more question. Here I am writing 6 plus 5 by 4. Now this is second question of addition of fraction. Here you also looking that there is no denominator of 6. So we will write here 6 by 1 plus 5 by 4. Equal sign is compulsory. Now we will again take LCM. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. So that we will multiply 6 by 4. 4 multiplied by 6. 6 4, 24. Plus 4, 4. Both denominators are same. That's why we will write the above value of 4 as it is. This is 5. Now we will add 24 plus 5 equal to 29 by 4. It's our answer. Look how addition is simple. Now I will tell you about subtraction of fraction, that how we will subtract a fraction. Here is also same situation. There is no denominator of 6. Firstly, we will write here 6 by 1 minus 1 by 9. Equal sign. Now we will multiply again taking our LCM. 9 multiplied by 1, 9. So here I am writing here 9 as a LCM. So here I am writing here 9. Now 1 multiplied by 9, 9. So 9 multiplied by 6, 54. Minus 9 and 9. Both base are same. So we will write this value as it is. 54 minus 1. 54 minus 1 equal to 53 by 9. It's our answer. Understand? Again we will solve second question of subtraction. I am writing here another question. Here I am writing 8 minus 2 by 4. Here I am writing this question, that is 8 minus 2 by 4. Here is same situation. There is no denominator and 2's denominator is 4. Again we will write here 8 by 1 minus 2 by 4. Again multiply. 4 multiply by 1, 4. 1 multiply by 4, 4. 1 multiply by 4, 4. So we will multiply 4 by 8. 4 8s are 32 minus 4 4 base same. So here is 2. Now 32 minus 2 equal to 30 by 4. It's our answer. Understand how simple is addition and subtraction. Now I will tell you about multiplication of fraction. Now we will solve question multiplication of fraction. Here is 7 multiplied by 6 by 8. 7 multiplied by 6 over 8 equal sign. 7 multiplied by 6, 42 by 8. Here we will look that here is 42 by 8. Now we will check either they are both going on two table. If they are going, then we will cancel this. Look, 2 2's 4, 2 1 2 2 4 8. 2 2's are 4, 2 1 2 2 4 8. So our answer is 21 by 4. 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2, 2 4's are 8. Look how simple it is to solve the multiplication of fraction. Here is second question. Here we will also multiply 9 multiplied by 4 over 5 equal 9 multiplied by 4, 36. 36 by 5. It's our answer. And I will tell you that how we will divide fraction. Here is a question, 5 divided by 2 by 3. Firstly we will write here 5 over 1 divided by 2 by 3. Now here is division symbol. The division symbol we will convert it into multiplication and the seeds will be changed. Denominator will turn in numerator and numerator will turn into denominator. We will change their seeds. Look how 5 over 1 multiplied by 3 by 2. We convert division symbol into multiplication symbol so that now we will multiply 5 multiplied by 3 equal to 15. 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. It's our answer. Understand? I hope so. You well understand my questions. Now the second question is same second question. 7 divided by 5 by 9. Here is 7 by 1. We will again change symbol of division into multiplication and the seeds will be changed. When we convert the symbol division to multiplication, seeds will be changed. Denominator will turn in numerator and numerator convert in denominator. Here we will write here 9 by 5. So now we will multiply 7 multiplied by 9, 63 over 5 multiplied by 1, 5. It's our answer. So you understand that how simple. I hope so you understand my all questions of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For more videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.